If you think all marketers do is brainstorm hashtags and pick out pretty colors, I've got some news for you. Look, I get it. New products, celebrity collabs, fancy packaging, that's the fun side of marketing. But if you want to stand out and keep your job past the next trend, you need to master the basics nobody talks about. First, deep customer research. Yeah, it's less red carpet, more detective in sweatpants, but knowing your audience inside out, that's your secret weapon. Next, testing and optimization. Sure, A/B tests are about as thrilling as watching paint dry, but making tiny tweaks can mean big wins. Number 3, sales and business metrics. Trust me, understanding TAC and LTV will impress your boss way more than your meme game. Fourth, channel mastery. Don't just chase shiny apps. Learn the classics like email and SEO. Boring? Maybe. Effective? Always. And finally, copywriting. AI is cool, but nothing beats good, old-fashioned, persuasive storytelling. So want to be a marketing rock star? Start with the basics, then make them shine.